Okay, this is a video on what I have been doing for the last month. I know I haven't posted any videos in a while, and I know those of you that follow me for the Canon M6 Mark II, I am using it. I'm giving a shout out to the PowerDeWise Lav mic. I was a little critical of the clip that broke, but in my comparison with the Rode mic, it works just as good. It's inexpensive and it comes with a lot more things. Yeah, the plastic clip didn't work out, but a shout out to the company. The company did contact me and offered to fix it, send me a new clip. At the same time, off Amazon, I had bought a metal clip that works just great. It's great when a company reaches out when you have a problem. The quality of the microphone is very, very good. So anybody interested in it, I'll put a link in the description below. This is just, this really isn't what this video is about, but I want to just say, anybody who has a product that doesn't quite cut it, and I was ready in that video that just without being able to clip it on, I wasn't going to be able to use it properly. But, you know, a little $7 clip, metal, maybe they'll make that improvement, but great product. I'm using it today. I'm about to go into what I have been doing for the last 4 weeks, as I've been not posting at all, which kind of sad. Not a lot of products coming out at the moment to really review from my perspective. I'm not interested in the latest stuff like the GH5 that they just updated the version, Mark II or whatever. I'm really looking for Canon's next kind of M series is really what I'm looking for, because as you all know, I like the Canon M6 Mark II. It works really well. But I want to do this quick video of this Lav mic. I'll put a copy of the original comparison so anybody can see, but this is kind of a correction. And I just wanted to post this so everybody knows. My next video, and after this correction, I decided to separate it because some people don't care about this stuff. I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to post a new video on what I've been doing on the last 4 weeks. Now, this video is not necessarily for camera people and microphones and all of those things I usually cover. I have covered a couple of times things with weight loss, diets, and that's what it's going to be about. So if you're at all interested in losing weight, you may want to watch my next video. Thanks for watching this little correction. I'm going to end this here, and I'm going to post kind of a crazy carb diet that I went on, and it worked. Again, if you're looking for technical videos, watch for my future videos.